Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Saturday morning, and it's pretty early in the morning, but we have a lot going on this Saturday. I think we got like birthday parties and stuff to go to, so we're going to go ahead and show you what's sold for us so far today.
All right, let's start all the way over here. All right.
We're trying to be better early people, but we're not good at it so far.
Maybe next year when we have to get up for the kids' school. So these are some Crocs. They're Broncos. These are actually my personal Crocs. I don't remember what I paid for them. I've had them for a couple of years. I would guess I paid probably like $5.99 or so. But because they were mine and I just wanted to get rid of them, I sold them for $18.15 free shipping. They sold in one day, so I probably could have got a little more, but happy with that. And they're only like 10 ounces, even though they're adult size. It's only $4.53 to ship those out. Box V. Okay, this is like a $2 profit, but this is a cabbie vest. I regretted it from the second I bought it, but this was back when the bins first reopened after COVID, and they were like giving you a time limit, and like if they would call your cart number, and if you didn't come up in like 5 minutes, they would just like kick you out. So anyways, I only paid 91 cents for the vest. It was just in my cart. I didn't really have time to sort, so yeah, 91 cents, but it only sold for $13.60 free ship, and shipping cost $7.76, so because it's over a pound. So I think I made $2.80, which, if you think I only paid 91 cents, that's like 3 times my money. But definitely not a good flip. All right, these are some Merrell sandals. These I grabbed up in Denver when I was with Greg and Amber, not at the bins, but like at the ARC thrift store that we stopped at. So I paid $6.99 for the shoes, sold them for $25 plus shipping. I think I could have got a little more, but they had like some markings on them there, and then on the footbed had like a black mark, so I just priced them a little bit lower. So 7 into 25 plus shipping's not bad. Oh, this was a good sale. Alright, you'll see it on the screen because you can't see the cute little lions right here, but these are like little toddler LeBron James lion cute shoes, Nike. So I got these at Once Upon a Child, so I paid $10 for them, but I listed them on Mercari for $50 plus shipping, and pretty much right away someone asked if I would just do free shipping, which, yeah, I would be happy to do that. So she said she had one of the Mercari coupons, 20 off 50, so yeah, 10 into 50 with free ship. I think that was like a $25 profit, so that was really good. AR. But yeah, those from Mercari, like it seems like every few months they offer these list 20 items and we'll give you a coupon off a purchase. So I also got one of the coupons and I bought something. But yeah, if you're not on Mercari, we have a link below. You can join. I really like Mercari. It's actually the first platform I was on even before Kidizen, and I don't know, a lot of people say they don't really like it, but I like it. So.
It's good because you could sell anything there, right?
You can sell anything, yep. Home goods.
I know Poshmark has opened up a lot. Kidizen, your kids' clothes, but Mercari, you can list anything, home goods, anything. So. Yep,
and I like the shipping label options. Like they have so many versus Posh, you're stuck with the 5-pound label. Kidizen, you choose by pounds. Well, Mercari, you choose by pounds too, but there's like more options and everything like that. So it's a pretty cool platform, and I do like that they do those coupon things every once in a while because that's just a benefit that other platforms don't have. Alright, so speaking of Mercari, these also sold on Mercari. There's some Picolinos, like an Oxford shoe. I picked these up at Goodwill. I did pay up at $11.99 for them, but I thought I could get around $40 plus shipping. I ended up taking an offer of $35 plus shipping, so still not too bad. Alright, and then AB. These are some Loudmouth golf shorts. If you don't know that brand, it's a great brand to look out for, at least for their clothing. I did find a pair of shoes once, and when I looked up comps, they were only going for like $15-20, which I thought was crazy. But yeah, the shorts, I think I've sold 2 or 3 pairs now, and they've all went like 40 to 50. So this one sold on Facebook Marketplace for 40 plus shipping. I got these the same day as the Harley shirts, so since I averaged my cost of goods, these were $10.67.
And Loudmouth has like the crazy wild patterns, right?
Yeah, we did the flag print the one time, and I feel like I definitely sold one other pair, but
they definitely stand out.
And they sell really fast. Like, I don't think any of them lasted more than even like 3 days. So that's awesome. The person on Facebook actually was funny. She was messaging first to make sure they were available. So she said, okay, I'm buying them for my husband, but he doesn't know he's going to see the listing went away and be sad. So it's a surprise for him when he gets them, I guess.
Oh. Hopefully not for Father's Day, because that's like tomorrow, right?
Reezy.
What are you doing down there?
Oh, do we? Alright, so you guys probably saw me say that he sold the other day, and the buyer hadn't paid yet, and he actually never paid. He messaged like the next day saying, hi, I found another pair of shoes, so I can't buy these. So I just ignored the message, and then after, I just let it go through the non-payment process, so he'll get a ding on his account anyways, and then after the 3 days or whatever it is, they just relisted, and then they sold for more. So I'm actually glad, because the other person I sent an offer of 100 free ship. This one sold for $109.15 free ship. I did want them to go over 100, so I didn't have to pay fees. So yeah, $109.15. They're going to Minnesota, so shipping was only $9.36. And I did pay up for these at Plato's. They were $28.43 with tax and everything. So it was still like a $70 profit.
Yeah, totally worth it.
So yeah, these are the Nike Roma Leos or something. I think they're like a weightlifting shoe. But yeah, I've sold them 2 times now. They both sold over 100 and fairly quickly. So yeah, if you ever find these, I definitely pay up for those.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up. And I just was looking behind your shoulder. I've been trying to get this MacBook to turn on, and it finally turned on. So it looks like it might just be the screen, maybe the bat, although that's unplugged. So looks like it's at least holding a charge. So yeah, that's interesting. Anyway, right now we're gonna worry about getting this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got that stuff all packed up and ready to go. And yeah, we're gonna take them off to the post office. Let's see, it's about 9:30, and we got a bunch of stuff to do with the kids today.
And go to some garage sales on the way.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna try to hit up some garage sales on the way. We did okay yesterday. We went out and found some interesting stuff, and I don't know if it's a home run of a day, but we'll definitely show you guys everything we found. And we did have something from before that we forgot to share that we'll add into that. Well, yeah, it looks like Kathy's been on a roll again with the listing. Got another 22 up yesterday, and
that was only to Poshmark. I just wanted to add it to the board. So I doubt I'll get any new today, but I should be able to get those at least cross-posted, because that takes almost no time at all.
Right. And yeah, we do use List Perfectly if you are new here.
So like you can see, these are the 22 I did last night, and it only says Poshmark right here. But when I scroll down, the ones before that, it's cool because it tells you where you've put them.
I got this table in my way. Let me get closer here.
So yeah, Poshmark, these are all the ones I did last night. So only to Poshmark. But yeah, these are the ones that I did previously, so it tells you where all they're at. So.
And you can even click on those links, and it'll take you directly to that listing, just like that.
So yep, and then when you sell them, you just click that, and then like select to mark sold and end. So it's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm kind of mad at myself for waiting so long to do it this way. I mean, I knew it was gonna be easier. I just don't like changes.
Changing is hard. It's hard.
But it's been really good. It just really makes everything a lot easier. So and fast. Like, so I'm gonna list 22 items to 3 more platforms. I would say that would take me 1 to 1.5 hours to do.
Yeah.
Basically 60 listings, because you're listing 22 to 3 different platforms. So.
If you are unfamiliar with List Perfectly, it does require a desktop. I know we get that question a lot. You can't do it only from a phone. You have to have.
I was watching with Becky's
and Clara.
interview with Clara. Yeah, so it seems like they're trying to work on some sort of cell phone thing. And right now, You can't do anything with like iPhones or iPads, but if you have the Microsoft Surface, you could do it on that. So it seems like it's getting there.
Yeah.
But yeah, for now, just desktop.
I think even if you have like a Chromebook would work because it uses Google Chrome, which is, it's an extension. So you have to use the extension to be able to cross list. But, you know, we do this full time, and, you know, we have 2 computers here. We have the laptop that we could take out. So it really works well for us. You know, even just listing, you can do all the listing from your phone, right? You could put it on list perfectly from your phone if you really wanted to, and then go to the computer to cross list. But we're going to have some videos in the future, and I know I've said this a few times before, but we do really plan on making some list perfectly videos on how we use it in our business, because it really is one of the things that made our business double, I would say. We started using it as soon as it came out. We were in the beta program, and just the ability of transferring photos and information from one listing, one platform to another, to where you don't have to fill that out. You just kind of eyeball it and go through and make sure everything works for that platform. And it's been a game changer for us. That and inventory control are the 2 big things that allowed us to have this many sales a day, I think. So, and Kathy's hard work and determination, because she's got that. So, yeah, this Mac. I mentioned it a little bit ago. This is the one that I got for $3, and you can kind of see how disgusting it is. And the screen is broken, but I was able to, I have this cord here, this cord plugging into the computer there, or the monitor there, and that kind of tells me that it's just the screen that's broken on this. So I'm going to try to play around with this a little bit more, see if I can get a little bit more value out of it before we sell it. Who knows? We might who knows? We might end up actually keeping it if it's, you know, it'd be nice to have 2 laptops. So we'll see. That's up in the air right now. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We're going to call it a day, get these off to the post office, and get these kids to a little splash pad and have some fun for the rest of the day. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.